First, go to the Launchpad tab and enter the service. You will see the ICOs launched in Launchpad. In this case, the only active ICO is B3X, so we will focus on it. Click on the Participate button. We can see all the information about the token with the project's website, the white paper, and its social networks. In this case, there are 2 phases in which you can participate. In Phase 1, the minimum is €1,000, and in Phase 2, €500. In this example, you will participate in Phase 1. You will see the countdown of Phase 1 and click on Participate. Now choose the amount you want to buy. Once reserved, our position regarding the rest of the users will appear. If you want to increase your position, click on the Advanced Position button and you will buy an extra amount of B2M to try to move up in the overall position. This can be done by credit card, TeakBit, EuroPurse, and bank transfer. Once the desired amount has been selected, click on the Pay button. You can also modify the reservation with more or less the amount desired. To do this, click on the Modify button and set another amount. If, for whatever reason, you want to cancel the reservation, click on Cancel Participation. As you can see, it is straightforward, and if you still have doubts, you can contact our support team or ask in the B2M Telegram group. Please find the link in the description. See you soon!